Mommy, should I?
International. Welcome to Ami Shaddai's Yisraelite Hebrew Restoration class. Throughout history, Yisrael has been brought to many nations and in many captivities. And over the course of time, we have lost our language. This class is intended to return that language back to its native people. Please feel free to pause the video whenever you need and write down these vocabulary words. They will come in handy. We encourage you, take what you learn here, teach it to your children, teach it to your spouse, teach it to somebody that you're able to repetitively say these terms and phrases that you learn here too. In doing so, you will build a foundation, and the language will begin to come natural to you. Do so in your everyday conversations. There is no set order to this class. It will be quite random, actually. Words and phrases will be used repetitively and in different forms and in different sequences. Because when we were children, there wasn't steps or stages to us learning the language. We heard and we put pieces together. We took what we saw and what we heard and we formed it together in our mind to make it into a working language that we would be able to speak. So I'm going to use that same method that we learned with, and through you hearing random phrases and seeing random images associated with them, you will formulate your understanding to the language. Without further ado, please enjoy. Hinena, 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 which means look now, please, or pay attention. Hinena, hinena, hine na li, hine na li, hine na li.
Hine na li.
Hine na li, which means pay attention to me, please. Now you say it. Hine na li. Hine, hine, which means pay attention, behold, or look. Na, 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 which means please, or I pray you. Na. Li, 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 which means to me, or me.
Hine na li.
Hine na li. Pay attention to me, please. Now you try. Imri na. Imri na. Imri na. Imri na. Imri na, which means say please, or please say. Imri na. Now you try. Yukwak na. Yukwak na. Yukwak na. Yukwak na. Yukwak na. Yukwak na, which means please get, please bring, or please take. Yukwak na. Al na, al na, al na, al na, al na, al na, which means please no, or please don't. Al na, al na, al na. Zena, 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 which means go out please, or come out please. Zena. Let's try a review and see if you could understand what this means. Senali, senali. Take a time. Do you get it? If you guessed, please come out to me, you are correct. Let's try another one. Yukwaknali, yukwaknali. Take your time. Figure it out. Yukwaknali. If you guessed, please bring to me, you are correct. Can you guess what this says? Hine imrina zeli. Hine imrina zeli. Take your time. If you guessed, pay attention. Please say, come out to me. You are correct. Hine imrina zeli. 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 Come out to me. This is the end of lesson 1 of the Hebrew Restoration class.
Mommy, should I?
International.